Big news for working families in 2026, the child tax credit is back, and the IRS has confirmed monthly advance payments for many households. This update could mean regular payments every month, not just one check at tax time. That's a massive shift from recent years, and it means more predictable cash flow for families with kids. In this video, we're going to break down what the 2026 child tax credit changes are, who qualifies and who doesn't, how and when the new monthly payments work, what you need to do right now, and how this affects your taxes at the end of the year. If you want to make sure you get every dollar you're owed, stick around. What is the 2026 child tax credit? The Child Tax Credit, CTC, is a federal tax benefit that helps families reduce their tax burden and, for many, receive direct payments. In previous years, some families received advanced monthly payments of this credit, and in 2026 the IRS has confirmed that monthly payments are returning for eligible families with children. Bullet points. Helps families with dependent children. Designed to reduce taxes or produce a refund. Monthly payments improve cash flow. 2026 rules differ from prior year refund timing. How much is the credit in 2026? For 2026, the child tax credit amounts have been restored or increased compared to pre-pandemic years. The credit is per qualifying child, up to a set age, and the IRS will send out a portion of this credit monthly to families who are enrolled. Bullet points. Credit amount depends on the number of qualifying children. Usually up to $2,000 per child, amount may vary by age gauge. Up to $1,500 or more of the credit may be paid in advance monthly. Remaining credit claimed when filing taxes. Monthly payments confirmed for 2026. Unlike earlier years when the child tax credit was only available at tax time, the 2026 update confirms monthly advance payments for eligible families starting early in the year, similar to the advance schedule used around 2021. Bullet points. Monthly payments sent by IRS. Typically for a specified portion of your total child tax credit. Designed to help with monthly expenses. Families can choose to receive them or get full credit at tax filing. Who qualifies for the 2026 payments? Not every family qualifies for the advance monthly payments. There are specific eligibility rules based on income, child age, and filing status. This chapter explains who likely qualifies. Bullet points. Must have one or more qualifying children. Children usually must be under a specified age, often under 17. Must be a U.S. citizen or resident with a valid Social Security number. Family income must fall within IRS thresholds. Must file a tax return to enroll or update IRS data. What you need to do to get payments. Unlike one-time tax credits, advance monthly payments require IRS enrollment or recent tax information. If your IRS records are outdated, you may miss out, and that means missing money you're entitled to. Bullet points. File 2024 federal taxes early if not filed. Make sure dependents are listed with correct SSNs and check IRS Child Tax Credit Portal for enrollment status. Add or update direct deposit info with IRS. Watch for IRS communication confirming payment setup. How payments are calculated. The IRS determines your monthly amount based on your anticipated child tax credit for the year, prorated over a series of payments. The exact monthly amount depends on how many qualifying children you have, your income level, and what portion of the total credit you elect to receive early. Bullet points. IRS estimates total credit eligible for advance payment. Then divides it into monthly installments. Families can receive up to half of the credit in advance. Rest of the credit is claimed when filing your tax return. When do monthly payments arrive? The IRS has confirmed that monthly payments will begin in early 2026 and continue for a set period, typically over 6 to 8 months depending on the program rules. Exact dates will be published as part of IRS payment calendars. Bullet points. Payments arrive once IRS systems are set up. Likely early to mid-2026 first deposit. Payments continue monthly for eligible months. Families can track status in IRS account portal. What if you don't want monthly payments? Not all families want monthly deposits. Some prefer to wait and claim the full credit when they file their taxes. Fortunately, the IRS allows you to opt out of monthly payments and instead receive the full credit on your 2026 return. Bullet points. Opt out through IRS Child Tax Credit Portal. Receive full credit at tax time instead. Helpful for those who prefer lump sums. Consult tax professional if unsure. How this affects your tax return. Advance payments are essentially prepayments of your child tax credit. That means when you file your 2026 tax return in 2027, the IRS will reconcile your total eligible credit with what you already received. Bullet points. Advance payments reduce remaining refund or tax owed. Make sure dependent and income info is correct. Failure to report changes could affect reconciliation. Use your IRS account to review payment history. The Child Tax Credit 2026 update means real monthly support for families with children. To make sure you get your payments, update your IRS information, file your taxes early, confirm dependents, and watch for IRS notices. This isn't just a refund, it's ongoing support for your family budget. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.